Hi guys, welcome to JXploit. Okay guys, my name is Jidin and this is the third video in NMAP series. In this video, you are going to learn about how to specify ports in NMAP. So ports are basically the communication points. So depending upon the type of communication that we choose, the port value also changes. For example, if I'm using SSH service, then the port is 22. If I'm going for telnet, then the port is 23, and so on and so forth. In the previous videos, I showed you how to do a symbol scan using NMAP. But if you perform a symbol scan, NMAP is going to show you all the open ports in the host. What if I want to narrow down the results? Or what if I want to know whether a specific port is open or not? That you are going to learn in this video. So let's quickly move on to the demo. Okay guys, so first we are going to see how to scan for a single port using NMAP. For that you have to type the command nmap space the target IP. In this case it is 192.168.0.115 space hyphen small p and the port number you want to scan. So I'm going to give 22, which is SSH. So what NMAP is going to do here is it is not going to scan all the 1000 ports or top 1000 ports and fetches the results. It will just check whether the port 22 is open or not. If it is open, it will show us the results, else it will say it's closed. That means it is basically restricting the scan for only port 22. Okay, so let's see the results. And as you can see that port 22 is open and it took 0.06 seconds to complete the scan. Now, not only a single port, you can also specify a range of ports using nmap. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the target IP, that is 192.168.0.115 space hyphen p space the range of ports. So I'm going to give 21 to 30. That is basically 10 ports ranging from 21 to 30. So what nmap is going to do here is it is only going to scan for those 10 ports, that is from 21 to 30, and show us the results. So let's perform the scan. And as you can see, nmap has scanned from port 21 to 30 and it showed us the results. And some ports are open and some are closed. And it took 0.06 seconds to complete the scan. You can also perform a fast port scan using nmap. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the target IP, that is 192.168.0.115 space hyphen caps F. So what nmap is going to do here is it is going to scan most popular 100 ports and show us the results. So the scan is complete, and if you scroll up, you can see that 82 out of 100 ports are closed and rest are the open ports. And the scanning took 0.06 seconds to complete. Okay, so next I am going to scan top 100 ports using nmap. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the target, that is 192.168.0.115 space hyphen hyphen top hyphen ports space 100. So what nmap is going to do here is it is going to scan top 100 ports and show us the results. Instead of 100, you can also give any other value of your choice. It can be 200, 300, whichever value you like. Okay, so let's perform the scan. And as you can see, the scanning is done and it took 0.07 seconds to complete. And if you scroll up, you can see that 82 ports out of top 100 ports scanned by nmap are closed and rest are the open ports. And the last one is if you want to scan a range of ports starting from 1, for example 1 to 20 or 1 to 30, then you can use the command nmap space the target, that is 192.168.0.115 space hyphen p hyphen let's say 30. So what nmap is going to do here is it is going to scan from port 1 to 30. If you give any other value, for example if you are giving 40, then nmap will scan from port 1 to 40. Okay, so let's see the results. And as you can see, nmap has scanned from port 1 to 30, and out of that 26 ports are closed and rest are the open ports. And the scanning took 0.06 seconds to complete. You can also specify the commands which I showed in the previous videos along with the ports to narrow down the results. Okay guys, that's pretty much from this video. Before we wrap it up, please take a moment to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye.